Okay, let's try this gem. So I've been waiting for this box to get here for like, I don't know, 100 years. So this is unboxing of Nadine West. So what do we get? We get a it's not even really nice. This is like a meh. Alright, so what do we have? I can tell you already that I'm not gonna fit in it. Size medium, but I just don't like the cut of it. It's by Popular 21. And it feels soft. Wrong. 95% rayon and 5% spandex. Plus it's hand wash and a lie flat to dry. Yeah. Caca. There you go, another gem. What is it? What is it? Looks like a shirt. It's from Hippie Chick. It's from USA. And it's the same combo, 95% rayon and 5% Spanx. Okay, last garment. It is pants. And these feel like yeah, polyester, 95% and 5% Spanx. Hand wash, cold water, and lie flat to dry. Yeah, another high maintenance item, and it's from Popular 21 again. I'll look them up. I also received some kind of jewelry, which, tell you the truth, during coronavirus I am not sticking anything in my ears. This product complies with safety regulation of lead and other components. Adults only. Okay, if you have to put a label on jewelry that there is stuff that you don't want, and that's not good. Yeah, I'm not gonna stick this in my ears. So no. And then this other thing. It's just not me. No thanks. All right, so this is a pretty big letdown. It took forever for a disappointment, I would say. The total for this, so it's like $140, $150 worth of stuff, $150 or so. Okay, I guess the bag is for me to reuse. So I don't know what the problem is. I don't know where this is coming from. You have to put labels of lead compliant. Yeah. I don't know if I want to even put this clothes on. I'm not gonna put the jewelry on, that's for sure. But maybe I'll try these on for shits and giggles. All right, well, stay tuned for, I don't know what, a miracle. All right, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel. I do these gems quite frequently or whenever I feel like it. But this is a no for me, definite no for me. All right, do widzenia.